The real benefits of a faceless YouTube channel are you don't need to get on camera. And for a lot of people, that's going to alleviate a lot of the stress that they have when they're thinking about starting a business. You don't need to talk to anyone. You can be completely anonymous. Your family or your coworkers don't need to know anything that you're doing in terms of the channel that you're creating. So it can allow you to just have freedom where you don't need to worry that your coworkers are going to ask you or say, I saw you on YouTube or something like that, which for a lot of people is a very stressful experience. So this allows you to build something in a niche that you're just passionate about and something that you want to create content in without having to be a performer, without having to speak, without having to get on camera, without doing lights, without worrying about what kind of camera should I buy, how am I going to record this, all that stuff you don't need to worry about. And that's one of the things that makes this one of the most accessible routes for someone to earn money online. When you add to that, that it's so much easier to optimize and build an audience on YouTube than it is on some of these other platforms. It just really makes a ton of sense to get started with a faceless YouTube channel. So we're going to break everything down so you know exactly how to do it. We're going to cover a lot of different examples of different types of channels. We're going to go into different niches and everything that you need in order to be successful using this method.